Hey, Ray. Hey, Police. Good to see you. This force, two units are completely affected, this one and there. What they did was they took the toilet off.
Paul Pham, Battalion Chief, PHAM. Okay, at 10:51 this evening, the LA City Fire was called out for a flooding in an apartment building. We came here on a 7-story residential apartment building, finding a flood that originated on the 2nd floor, which was unoccupied. A hot water line for a washer or for a washing machine. The PVC pipe failed and caused the hot water to flood the 2nd floor, 3 unoccupied units and 1 occupied unit, and it traveled down to the 1st floor, affecting 1 occupied unit and 3 additional unoccupied units. Fortunately, minimal damage to occupants, and possibly minimal displacement of occupants. So,
the amount of units with occupants that were affected?
Excuse me?
The total amount of units.
2 occupied units, 6 unoccupied units. The floors were concrete, so it made it easier for us to remove the water. We have management here, and we have a maintenance crew from the building to come to start the recovery efforts and start getting the water back to the residents for the building.
So water has been shut off?
Water's been shut off for now. Also, we have
Be turned back on?
well, hopefully soon. We took 5 fire companies to assist with removing as much water as we can.
How many firefighters is that?
20. About 26 firefighters.
You know what time you guys were called over here?
10:51 this evening.
Okay, and then how long did it take to basically just to finish pushing out all the water?
We had 1 company arrive first, and they called for additional units, just identifying that it was a lot bigger than what was anticipated, and it took about an hour to finally remove all the water that we needed to remove. But the main thing is we were able to stop the water from continuing to flood the building, and right now we're just working on the recovery efforts.
And just to confirm, so 1 occupant, at least 1 occupant have been displaced?
So 2 occupied units were affected with the water. 6 unoccupied units were affected by the water. We removed as much water as we can from all the units, but there may be a question on whether or not those occupants are going to stay in those units for tonight. So.